walls are the stories that I can't explain. I leave my heart open but stay right here empty for days. She told me in the morning she don't feel the same about us on her bones. It seems to me that when I die these words will be written on my stone. And I'll be gone, gone tonight. The ground beneath my feet is open wide. The way that I've been holding on too tight, with nothing in between. This story of my life, I take her home. I drive all night to keep her warm in time. It's frozen. This story of my life, I keep her home. I spend her love until she's broke inside. The story of my life. Written on these walls are the colors that I can't change.